Do you know that a newborn piglet weighing just 3 pounds doesn't actually need solid feed at all? At that stage, the most important food is colostrum, the first milk from the mother. In the first 24 hours, colostrum acts like a survival kit. It gives the piglet immunity, energy, and protection against disease. From day 2 up to around 2 weeks, the sow's milk is still the main source of food. It provides everything the piglet needs for steady growth. But from day 7 to 10, farmers can introduce creep feed. At this stage, it's not much, just 5 to 10 grams per piglet daily. The goal is to train their digestive system, not to replace milk yet. By the 4th week, piglets can handle 100 to 250 grams of creep feed daily while still suckling. And when they reach weaning age, around 6 to 8 weeks, each piglet will be consuming about 0.5 to 1 kilogram of starter feed per day. Altogether, from birth to weaning, a piglet will eat around 10 to 15 kilograms of feed in total. So here's the key: newborn piglets don't start with feed, they start with colostrum, then milk, and only later creep feed in small amounts. If you follow this schedule, your piglets will grow stronger, faster, and be ready for the grower stage without setbacks.